Are you trying to start an online business? Maybe you have no clue where to start. You feel a little bit overwhelmed? It's a lot. So let me give you a helicopter view of what I did coming up. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley, aka Preach, from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give you real advice for real life. And trust me, I've made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on ministry, on how-tos, on faith, and marriage, so check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real business, real content, and real income. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying it. And as a free gift for stopping by, we wanted to give you our mini course in PDF called the Studio Setup. It'll help you get started building a studio of your own. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now, let's get into it. Just a heads up, this video is going to be a part of a series where I'll take each one of these points and break them down into a video of their own. So comment below, I'd love to know the questions that you have. Number one, the first thing that you have to ask is, what do you want to do? A lot of people call this a niche. You've got to pick an area or a type of content that you want to start to create. Some of my other niches include faith or how-tos. Number two, you've got to ask yourself, who do you want to help? This is also known as a target audience. You've got to start to think, what do these people look like? Who are the people that I want to help? What do they like? And start to think about that so that you can then start to create content that'll help those specific people. Number three is, what are you going to sell? In other words, what's the product that you're going to have? Is it going to be an online course? Is it going to be coaching, a membership? Is it going to be an actual product? A good place to start if you don't know what you want to sell is Shopify. I'll leave our affiliate link in the description below. Number four is, how will you create content? How are you going to create the content that you're going to create? And I'll leave a list of all the gear that I use and recommend in the description. But hey, if you're looking to start creating content, I want to encourage you to check out our online course called the Self-Made Studio. I'll take you through exactly how to set up a studio using the same equipment that I have here. Number five is, how are you going to host your product? What platform are you going to use for that? There's a lot of good ones. Some of the top two I would say would be Podia or Kajabi, but you could even use something like Skool or System.io. Be on the lookout for reviews of each of these platforms, and I'll leave our affiliate links below. And no, affiliate links don't cost you anything. In fact, they usually help you. Number six is, how are you going to tell people about your product? One of the most common and easiest ways to do this is through digital marketing. But you could also use something like email marketing, which again, you go back to Podia, Kajabi, Skool, and those other platforms. It doesn't matter what product you have if people don't know about it. And if you really want to dig into content creation and digital marketing, I'll leave some links below that you can check out some of these other programs, like Digital Marketing Gold, the Kingdom Content Creators, and a Roadmap to Riches. And number seven is, where are you going to send people? You've got to start thinking about building a website, building a simple website to start with. Because when people want to know more, they've got to have somewhere to go. And a bonus thought is, make sure to like and follow this channel, and I'd recommend signing up for the email broadcast as well so you don't miss any tips on how to start and run your online business. Hey, can I stop you right there, and will you take just a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us so we can keep making content just like this. Now it's time to get real. Comment below and let me know, which step are you on? You might be on step number one, but let me know, what step are you on when it comes to starting your online business? And if you have more questions, check out one of our online communities where you can ask questions, be encouraged, and you can be a part of our live Q&As. Make sure to check out some of our other videos like how to get more customers or clients, or check out one of our other channels where you can find videos on things like how to save your marriage. Hey, I hope this video was helpful for you wherever you're at on your journey, but until next time, keep it real.